In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change your pivot table where the values are either a percentage of your row total, so a percentage that adds up to 100% of this number right here, for example, a percentage of your column total, so these values will transform to a percentage that adds up to be a 100% right here, or a percentage of your grand total where all of these values will add up to be a percentage that will make this 100%. To do this, click into your pivot table and then go into pivot table analyze. From here, going to click on field list if it's not already showing off to the right. And you're going to want to go over into the value section in the bottom corner and click on the drop down menu. From here, you're going to want to click on field value settings, where you're going to want to not summarize the values, but show values as a calculation, not no calculation, which is the default, but rather a percentage of something. So you can have it be a percentage of the grand total. If I click OK, then everything will kind of show up as a percentage to where this is 100% in the grand total right here. I can change this calculation again to be a percentage of the column total, like I alluded to earlier, where each value in each category adds up to where the grand total in each column is now 100%. I can also change the calculation to be a percentage of the row total, where now each row will add up to where the row total is 100%. This is extremely helpful if you're trying to understand how much weight something has in a particular category, or how much weight something has in the grand total, and if you're trying to do calculations based on that kind of distribution. Note there is more flexibility that you can kind of dig into if you want to. For example, you can have it be a percentage of just something completely different, a percentage of east, for example, which is quite interesting. Percentage of a specific row, like I just kind of clicked on. You can also kind of poke around and have it be a percent of a parent row total if applicable. But no, you can have it be a percentage of something very specific if you really want to, or you can have it be a percentage of a total, which is what I kind of prefer, or no calculation, which is the default. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.